I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to Camilo Beach in Algarve. Here in Camilo, we have amazing view, crystal clear water and incredible nature. How great it would be to have a walk tour around this beauty. Well, now you have a chance to be here, so let's start. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video if you would like to take a part of this walk tour with me. So, first of all, let's get to the beach itself to experience this amazing view of the rocky beach combined with crystal clear water. Feel the wind against your skin and enjoy the view. Here we can meet various kinds of birds dancing in air and wild rabbits jumping around. It is a true joy to take a picture here. Let's walk around the beach to get to the most amazing places. Here is a beautiful view of the turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean combined with the stunning rocky coastline. It is really mesmerizing. The sound of the waves and salty ocean breeze is a mesmerizing treat. Take a deep breath of fresh air and enjoy the moment. We can visit many attractions near the beach. Some of them are located just a few minutes away. There are plenty of spots to explore: caves, rock formations, nature trails, and much more. Finally, we can reach the top of the cliff, where we can observe the entire beach and its beauty. The view here is simply stunning. We can admire its beauty for hours. So, if you like beautiful nature and mesmerizing view, this beach should be your getaway destination. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video so that more people can join the tour. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unique video content. Thanks for joining me on this amazing tour. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.